Let code number 703, KTH's largest element in a string. This is an easy question. Let's get into it. Design a class to find KTH's largest element in a string. Note that it is a KTH's largest element in a sorted order, not the KTH's distinct element. Your KTH largest class will have a constructor will accept an integer k and an integer array nums, which contain initial elements from the string. For each call to the method KTH largest add, return the element representing the KTH largest element in a string. Let's check the example. In this case 3, so array is 4582. So and then KTH largest make the put to this number array and then add 3, and then if the add 3 is the third biggest number is 1, 2, 3, 4 is written, and then 5 we put, so third is 855, so return 5. 10 input 10, 8, 5, so 5 return. 9 input 10, 9, 8, so 8 return. 4 input same as the before 8 because 4 is the smaller than 8. Okay, how we gonna do? There are a lot of ways to implement this one, and I think if we use heap, maybe we can reduce time complexity to linear for initialize, and then log n for add method. So I'm gonna use heap for this, and my approach is I will use heap same amount of k. So if it's overflow, I will get rid of them with heap pop method. Then how we gonna get to case number? One of the good thing of the heap, if we use the min heap, and then always the first index of heap is the smallest number, and then heap size is case, so case the smallest number is the first number of this one, so I will use this one. And fortunately Python provide min heap. Okay, let's implement code. So first let's make self heap and then put nums, and then I will heapify later. Self k is k, and then I will make alias heap self heap, and no need k because k is here. So first, okay, let's heapify heap q heap push no heapify and heap, and then it takes big O n, not big n log n. So let's get rid of the other number. Okay, let's make this heap size to k, while k is the bigger than length heap is the bigger than k. I will heap q heap pop heap. Then now we have the heap the same size of k. Add, okay, let's make alias first. Heap is self heap, and then k is self k. First, if the heap size is smaller than k, we just add it. So if length of heap is smaller than k, I just push heap q, heap push to the heap, and then value. Otherwise, use heap push, pop and push. Let's use heap q thank you. Heap, push, pop, and heap and value. And then finally I return heap, first element of heap. Looks good. Okay, this one is it take the linear time, and then in this case, push pop the take big O log n. So time complexity for the initialization of class, it take linear time, and then add method, it take log n. And we use heap, so space complexity is linear space. Thank you.